So this question here is question number 4 from exercise 2 of phase 5 book, that is haloalkanes, haloarenes or aryl halides and alkyl halides. Okay, so when here the question says the fire extinguisher pyrene contains of. So fire extinguishing behavior has to be done. So for the alkyl halides or the aryl halides, you need to be even going through the properties as well as the uses also, because that is also one of the question what you'll be getting. So carbon dioxide, usually other form of carbon dioxide whatever we take is dry ice, which is the solid carbon dioxide. Carbon disulfide, as it is known for its behavior. Okay. Then carbon tetrachloride. Here carbon tetrachloride, its main use is being a solvent. At the same time, it is also known commercially as pyrene. Okay, but what about chloroform? The main use of the chloroform, once upon a time, it was supposed to be behaving as an anesthetic. Anesthetic, not presently, but overall, carbon tetrachloride and chloroform are behaving as a good solvents also for the organic lab purposes. Thank you.